I'm gonna swallow my gum. Okay.
That's gross.
Why? What's up, everybody?
We're here at the property and you wouldn't even recognize it.
Yeah, there's a lot of trees cleared. You can see some machinery behind us.
You can also see the gigantic pile of trees.
Yeah.
That's our excavator's brush pile.
Yep.
A lot of trees have already been taken out with dumpsters, so it's clear. It's ready for the basement, and we're excited. And we put the driveway down, and
yeah, that's over here. See those rocks are going in. Those are like for the whole driveway path. You can see we
base.
set up some hammocks. We're here relaxing. And
Hammock day.
there's some more rocks over there. So that's going to go down on the driveway as like the base, and so all the kind of heavy machinery can come through and not sink into the mud.
And it will be a really good foundation for our driveway, which is going to be gravel anyway. So those rocks give it a nice sturdy place to lay all the gravel down, and we're excited. The sun is shining. You can feel it.
Yeah, it's very warm.
Because there's a big open space where our house is going to go, but it's still so private. Like, you still can't see the neighbors. And when you drive up to the property, you can't see that there's been even any trees removed at all. It still looks like just a big thing of woods.
Yes, yeah, the front is still very private, so it looks good. Looks great.
Get a better view of the ridge now. The trees are gone. So there's the drop off back there. The rolling hills, fall colors. It's just so beautiful. So this is our backyard, what will be our backyard. And on the edge of the backyard is the ridge. So it's the big, beautiful drop off with the amazing view that we love so much about this property. And our next step is, where we're standing, is to dig the basement. And once the basement is dug, then they can pour the walls, and then we can get going.
Yep, it'll all be ready hopefully in time for winter. That's kind of, we got to get the foundation.
Get the house sealed up.
And all the boards and stuff up for winter. And then weather doesn't really matter after that.
Right, but windows in, roof on, those are kind of important things. And yeah.
So we'll update you when we get to the next step.
Yeah.
Oh, my arm is so tired.